Hello, my name is Rebecca Teglas. I'm the head of the Children's Department at the Larchmont Public Library. While we're all stuck inside weekly, I've been giving you a tip to bust the boredom of your kids. They're called Boredom Buster Mondays. So with the weather getting nicer, I figured it was time to do some things that you could take outside. So today we're going to be making a bubble solution. Supposedly, this is the best bubble solution out there. So we'll see how it goes. Now, when I was a child, we just used water and dish detergent. But this time I'm going to try a new recipe. This is distilled water, which is supposed to keep the bubbles from popping as quickly. This is glycerin. You can get it at some pharmacies. I happened to get this at Trada's and they delivered it. You could probably get it on Amazon too. Dish detergent. A measuring cup. And a tablespoon. Those are all the supplies you'll need. So what you'll want to do is measure 6 cups of the distilled water into the large mixing bowl. And then you put in 1 cup of your dish detergent. You put it in there. And then you're going to mix and mix and mix until it is reasonably combined. And here is my cat, who is always very fascinated with our scientific, crafty stuff. Now, I think this is looking pretty good. We're going to now take our glycerin and measure out 1 tablespoon. And we're going to put it in there. And combine. Mix, mix, mix. The distilled water is said to keep it purified. It's purified water, so it should help make the bubbles, like I said, last longer. Okay guys, now it's time for the balcony test. Will it work? I have an old bubble wand left over from another set of bubbles. Let's see. Oh, we got one. I love catching him again too. Oh, we got a bunch. It works, yay! Oh, more! There's nothing more fun than blowing bubbles. So cool! I made that. Another interesting thing you could try is asking your kids, will a bubble always be round? You can blow a bubble through a straw. You can blow a bubble through even your hand. I'll show you. You can put it in the bubble solution. And if you blow it, a bubble will form. Oh, one just is floating. Let's see if I can get one for the camera. Yep, there we go. So you see, it's easy to do and it's fun, and the kids will love trying that. Another thing you can do is take a pipe cleaner and you can shape it any way you want. For us, I'm going to pick the shape of a square. And you ask, will the bubble be round? Even though this is a square, will the bubble be round when we dip it in and blow it? So let's check it out. I'm going to dip it in the bubble solution. Will we have a square bubble or a round one? Whoop, didn't get one that time. Didn't get one that time. Ah, got a round bubble. Do you guys see it? Even though this is square, the bubble is round. If you shaped your pipe cleaner into the shape of a heart, you'd still get a round bubble. It's pretty amazing. So what is the science behind all this? Well, a bubble is made out of soap and soapy water and air. That's it. Just a thin layer covering the air. When the water evaporates, the bubble pops. Now, the bubble is round because it wants the bubble wants the smallest area to surround the air. So that's why it takes the round shape. So I hope you enjoyed today's Boredom Buster, and I hope you go to it and give it a try. If you do it, tag us on social media. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you. I hope you guys have a good week. Missed you.